Sorry guys, I got cut off the last video, so let's continue with what we know about alligators. The difference between an alligator and a crocodile is that an alligator has a shorter snout and its lower teeth are hidden when its mouth is closed. Alligators live in lakes and swamps of southern USA and parts of Central and South America. They have tough, bony plates along their back. So, all back here. A red-eyed tree frog. This brightly colored frog lives in the trees in the jungles of Central America. If it's disturbed while asleep, its eyelids pop open and its bright red eyes frighten off what would be any predator. It has sticky toe pads for climbing trees, and you can see its large bright eyes, right? Ooh, here's a marine toad. I don't think I've ever seen one of those. I wonder why. The marine toad, or cane toad, is the biggest toad in the world. It comes from Central and South America, but also lives in parts of Australia. It produces large amounts of very powerful poison from behind its shoulders. Wow. So right here where it's all puffy, that's where it stores it. All the poison that it stores. Crazy. Next, we have the White's tree frog. White's tree frog comes from Australia, but has been introduced to many other parts of the world. These funny-looking amphibians are one of the most popular types of pet frogs. It has shiny, waxy skin and large, sticky toe pads down here. It has a big head and rounded body. Next, we have the poison dart frog. The incredible colors of this South American jungle frog warn its predators how poisonous it is. Its name comes from the local tribes who use the poison on darts, which they use for hunting. Right here, it has very powerful poison that comes through its skin. And here, these frogs can be blue, green, red, or yellow. Here's a bullfrog. These large, noisy frogs are famous for eating huge amounts of insects, small mammals, and even other frogs. The male bullfrog has an inflatable sac under its throat that it uses to make very loud mating calls. This big puffy thing right here is its inflatable sac. Wow. And here is a fire salamander. See? The strikingly colored fire salamander is an amphibian that spends its time entirely out of water, living in forests, hills, and woodland. It produces a mild poison which makes it taste nasty to anything that tries to eat it. So it fights off its prey by the taste of the salamander. Poison is produced in its glands behind its ears. That is pretty cool. And then on the back of the book, it has an awesome glossary. I had a lot of fun reading this book with you. I hope you learned some new facts about reptiles and amphibians. I know I certainly did. I hope you all continue to read and take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon. Bye.